Hello everyone. Welcome back to spatialTour. In today's video, I will show you how to convert a CSV file containing latitude and longitude coordinates into a point feature layer in ArcGIS Pro using the XY table to point tool. This workflow is commonly used for GPS locations, service data, weather stations, and many other GIS applications. So let's get started. So this is the Excel file. We want to import it in ArcGIS Pro as a layer. So we have 5 columns in it. The first column is of ID and the second column is of name, in which we have multiple cities data of Pakistan and their province information and the longitude and latitude information. And these are the two columns which are very important to show your data on map. Come onto ArcGIS Pro. This is the tool of XY table to point. By using this tool, you can add data in XY points onto your map screen. All right. So you can find it from your analysis tab in tool sections. All right. You can search for XY table to point. You need to simply click on XY table to point and then you need to load your CSV file in this window. All right. Here is the CSV file. I am simply dragging into the input tab. All right. So this is the output feature class box in which is the output feature class box in which we need to give the path of our output shapefile. All right, so you can set it according to your need. And this is the X field and Y field. In X field, we need to set the longitude column, and in Y field, we need to set the latitude column. What ArcGIS tool do here, it automatically detect the X field for longitude column and Y field for the latitude column. But in case if it detects it wrongly, you need to set the longitude for the X field and latitude for the Y field. And if you have the elevation data, you can give that column here in the Z field. All right. So here is the coordinate system. As our data is in decimal degrees, so we are supposed to set the GCS WGS 1984 coordinates here. All right. Then we need to click on run. Now you can see that our XY data has been plotted to our map window. Now you can see that our point data from CSV has loaded onto our map screen as a layer, because if we simp data as a CSV file in our ArcGIS Pro, it will open as a table, just non-GIS data. All right. So if you want to convert this data into a shapefile, or you want to plot it on map on exact location, so you firstly need to convert your CSV to a point layer. All right. So you can do this from this tool. And when we go into the shapefile, we firstly need to right click on the shapefile and then we need to open the attribute table. All right. So you can see that we have all the columns here, which are city ID, city name, province, longitude, and latitude. So that's it for today.